Hello guys, welcome to my channel Codeater Academy. Today we will learn how to run SpringBoot application. I am in my projects folder. If you don't have Maven idea, then watch my previous video. I will give that link in description. Here I am cleaning and install the project relatable library or repository. After this I will show to how to run SpringBoot project. There are many ways to run a project. Everything is going fine. Now we are ready to run the SpringBoot project. First way to run project using Maven. This command is used to run a SpringBoot application using Apache Maven. One point to remember for this, that is pom.xml plugin. Listen carefully. In pom.xml must include the SpringBoot Maven plugin. Next I will show you in my project pom.xml file. Project runs successfully. Local server started at default port 8080. Here localhost opened project with port 8080. Next I will show the Maven plugin that should be in your POM file. To stop server, press Ctrl+C. This is pom.xml file of my project and Maven plugin is on your screen. Maven plugin under the build tag. You can define multiple plugins under this as per project's need. The way to run project is confusing for some people. Now next go for second way, how to run project using Maven. After compilation, project.jar will be created under the target folder of your project. Now we will execute the jar using Maven. This is the second way to execute the Spring project. In command prompt, go to project's target folder. Try to execute the jar. Your jar file name and my jar file name will be different. Execution process has started. Tomcat will be start on default port 8080. Just wait for it. Yes, it has started now. Check on browser, localhost is running or not. Yes, it's working fine. Friends, please subscribe my channel. For more video like this, stay with us. Let's go for third way of how to run SpringBoot project. Most simplest way. Go to your IDE that you are using. It may be STS or Eclipse. From here you can directly run your project. Server has started on 8080 port. Let's check on browser application working or not. Go to your browser, refresh the localhost page. Yes, it's working. Localhost page opened. Hope you guys enjoy the video and now you know how to run the SpringBoot project with different ways. In next video we will learn what is Swagger in SpringBoot and what's use of Swagger. Thank you so much being part of us. Stay with us for more videos. Please subscribe channel.